see in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So here, as can you see, we got the paper box and the SIM tool, and in this paper box I think that we got only the we got here only the USB-C cable, and unfortunately we have no here any charger brick, so you should buy charger brick separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.